Hey guys, this is Brad and Kenza here in beautiful Purga, standing in the biggest Filterra Bioretention in Queensland. We're very excited because we're actually seeing the Filterra Bioretention in action. It's been pouring down rain for several days now, but it also gives us the opportunity to see the Filterra Bioretention treating water. And in particular, we're seeing how water enters the system. So across the Filterra Bioretention, we've got lots of these bubble up pipes. This is how water gets into the system. And you can see we've got multiple systems, multiple bubbles, and we're just basically making sure that water is appropriately being distributed across the whole Filterra Bioretention. Very different to traditional bioretention. Now you might have a single inlet and hope the water magically disappears across the whole system. Whereas in Filterra, we're very keen to achieve a really good flow distribution, hence the bubbling. But they're all engaging, right, Kenza? What do you think?
They're freaking great. Look at those. Look at that.
And what do you think, Kenza? What do you reckon about this plant? Pretty cool?
They're looking gorgeous. I can pick up some.
Very cool. Now look, if you want to find out more about Filterra Bioretention system or anything else, just give Kenza or me a shout.